We're here in St. Ignace, Michigan at Casey Hobbies and Toys. Doing an unboxing of the new XMaxx MT, and we'll just get right into it. Well, you're going to have your standard TQI blue controller. So your heavy duty zip ties. So you'll have different bumpers, MT bumpers. Front and rear bumper for an MT. Let's get your tires out. Oh yeah. Your belted monster truck tires. So here you have the assembled XMaxx MT. With the caps in there. Next we'll do the body for it. Body's assembled, ready to go. And there you have the XMaxx MT with the Ford body. In a little bit, we're going to make another video of us driving it for the first time.